There are very few phrases in the English language quite as popular as the phrase tax-free. But for some reason, advisors seem to tiptoe around the subject, and I'm really not sure why. If something is tax-free, that's the first thing I want you to tell me. So let me give you the heads up. About 100 years ago, when I was a baby lawyer at PwC, the federal government wanted to increase the pool of capital available for the commercialisation of innovation, essentially to incentivise people to invest in early stage technology startups. And I think we can all agree that that is an excellent thing to incentivise. The problem is, the federal government only has a few levers available to it to incentivise anybody to do anything. Fortunately though, tax is one of the most powerful. So in 2008, the federal government introduced the Early Stage Venture Capital Limited Partnership Program. It has to be the world's worst name for any government program ever. But since then, it has become the most popular structure for venture capital investing across the country. Why? Because it gives investors a 10% tax offset on any investments they make into the fund structure, and this is the best bit, all returns from an ESVCLP are completely tax-free. No income tax and no capital gains tax. Recently we launched the Sydney Angels Sidecar Fund 3 in partnership with one of Australia's leading angel investment groups. Structured as an ESVCLP, the Sydney Angels Sidecar Fund gives investors a 10% offset onto any investment they make into the fund, and then all returns are completely exempt of income and capital gains tax. And with a minimum commitment of only $25,000 called in 5 equal annual tranches, that means you can participate in this fund for as little as $5,000 now. And all of that is completely intentional because we want to make this fund accessible to as many investors as possible and to help increase the amount of capital that's available for the commercialisation of Australian innovation. Tranche 1 reached its target within 3 hours and was oversubscribed 350% in the first week. To join the waitlist for Tranche 2, register your interest at the VentureCrowd website.